Hey y'all, so I decided I wanted to be cool like Kirsten and Hannah, which I'll leave their videos linked down below, where they do melting baskets. And I got this beautiful Mickey basket in the mail. I've actually been looking for this basket for over a year now, and it finally came up on eBay and I snatched her up. But it's so nice and I'm so excited. But I have all of the random picks for this. I don't know if it's gonna be a week because I always forget to change them out and I let them go till they don't smell anymore. So I have random picks in here, and then I also have a haul. So I figured let's go into the haul first. Also, I'm putting this up as like a bonus video. It's not one of my main three because it's not really planner content, so I don't want to like not have a planner video up, but I wanted to do this, and if you like it, I will continue to do it. And if I continue to do it, I'll save my like empties like they do, and I'll tell you what I think. So let me know in the comments down below if you want to see that, and then I can also put my wax like in that, and you can like have like a full wax video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. So first things first is I do have a haul here from Fantasy Wax. Kirsten gifted me these because she's amazing, and I lost my thumbnail, but you know, the other ones are going well. So, and no, like my thumbnail's so wide. We talked about this before. Anyways, so this is this month's wax scent. No, well, it's like Avery's birthday month, so you know, whatever. Avery's favorite chocolate covered cherries. Avery is so cute, and this smells so good. I'm so excited for this one. It definitely also gives me Valentine's vibes as well, like chocolate covered fruit. And I've also been super into True Foo, which if you haven't tried it, you really need to. You can get it at like Walmart, Target, and Amazon Fresh. I think Costco has it as well, but love that. Love Avery, obviously. And then I was super excited about this. I think I just wasn't paying attention to Instagram or something whenever Kirsten started sneaking these scents. But it's like a Mario theme, which is like my house. Mario is like, you know, top tier, all we talk about basically. Bennett is like, he's actually really good at Mario on the Switch, and he was super excited when I told them that these were all Mario characters. So first one here is Yoshi, and this one is Mountain Dew, which I think there was a Mountain Dew in a previous collection, and I love the scent of it. It reminds me of summer. I occasionally do like a Mountain Dew, and I feel like I'm 13 every time I drink it, and I usually can't finish it because Mountain Dew is just like intense, but I love this smell, and I love all of these decorations of the glitters. I love all things sparkly. And then I have Rosalina, which is Mexican fried ice cream, and it smells so good, and I love this sparkle. Whenever Lila was still like in my belly, Bennett always said that she was Rosalina. So good, so cute. And then the next princess we have is Peach, and this is fresh peach and zucchini bread. I personally do not like peach or pineapple or like a lot of like super fruity scents, but I did smell this and I really like it. I feel like the zucchini bread really mellows down that like artificial peach scent and makes it more of like a peach bakery scent, which is like something I've never really smelled before. It almost smells like a really like mellowed out, as in like a bakery version of a peach ring. That's my best way of explaining it. And this one here is Bowser, which is banana cream pie, whole wheat bread, and another one. Banana is usually pretty hit or miss for me, but when I smelled this, it reminds me of, it reminds me of banana bread, and I just made banana bread today. I'm waiting for it to like cool down a little bit. But it smells just like banana bread because it's like the banana cream pie and the whole wheat bread. That smells really good. It smells like almost exactly, well, this one smells a little bit more like an actual banana bread, but this one smells like pretty close to what you think banana bread smells like. And then this one here is Mario, which is fruit punch, which I think also was in another collection. This one smells like exactly like the like Kool-Aid fruit punch mix. Like if you opened up the like powder pack, that's exactly what it smells like. And I love the red and the blue together. And then last but not least is Shy Guy, which is fresh picked strawberries, which all of the strawberry scents are usually basically my favorite because I feel like Kirsten always goes for ones that are like a little bit warmer, like a juicy, warm strawberry versus like a really like sweet candy strawberry. And this one is so good. I always love the strawberry scents because they remind me of strawberry ice cream, which I am really excited for strawberry season and HEB to have their special strawberry ice cream because I'm going to be getting it and eating it like every day because it's so delicious. I normally don't like strawberry ice cream, but that one is like fantastic. And then let's go in to what I will be melting. I randomly pulled all of this from all of my drawers. I do want to like get my drawers kind of together and then do a little bit of a tour, though the only thing is like it's like 4 wax melts deep, so you just would get like an overview, but also I need to do an office tour. So let's go over these first. So first thing, I did melt this already, so I'm just gonna go through. I have another one that I melted, but I'm only half done. This one's Auntie Hands by Black Magic Melts with a collab by Plana Hannah. And I will say that whenever I put this on at first, I was like, it doesn't really like smell like that intense, but I put the whole entire thing into my wax warmer and it did smell really, really good. It smelled like a fresh pretzel, so it's very delicious. And then this one here is Flying Flapjacks, which I'm very excited to try since that one on warm was a lot like more potent. And this one is Maple Pancakes, Bacon, and Zucchini Bread. I might actually put this out in the living room. I have, I think something from Fantasy Wax. Actually, I don't know what it is because it's red. And the one that I chopped up is yellow. And I think I put that in the bathroom. I don't know what I have out there, but it's like on its last leg and it's been in there for like days. So I think I'm going to put this out there. And I have my like really, really beautiful wax warmer. It's my favorite one from Walmart. I'll leave it linked down below, but like it's like the cutest wax warmer ever. I feel like wax warmers are just like, they need to be updated. I like the Happy Wax ones because they have like timers and the silicone lid. But I just feel like they're ugly. They're like cute, but like ugly. Do you know what I'm saying? And all the ones from Scentsy are like themed, like obnoxious. But yeah, I don't know. Nick just texted me that Lila pooped. So I was like, hey, that's on you, bruh. Okay. So this one is my collab with Fantasy Wax Melt. Maybe we'll do another one in the future. I don't know. But this is the Fantasy Wax Melts by SPC 2021 limited edition collab. It came in a hollow bag. And I think they came out with like the bigger ones later, like the leftovers. But these are just the teeny ones. And I made cute little labels for them that match the like themes. This one's called Dream. This is oatmeal, vanilla, and sweet honey. It's so good. It just smells very like a milky bath. And I love it. And it has little moons on top. And then it kind of like, it's supposed to be like kind of like the Park Hopper collection. The moon, the hearts, the stars, and then the Mickey heads. This one here is called Love, which is wild berries, mandarin, and honeysuckle. All of these I've melted before. Oh God, that went up my nose. This is the like Viva La Juicy dupe, which is just delicious. I love Viva La Juicy, one of my top 3 fragrances. And then there's Magic, which is eucalyptus, lavender, and bergamot. This one is like intense. Like it's one of those ones that you like, it's good for a bathroom first of all, or like a laundry room. But if you put this on, you probably like want to turn it off after like an hour. Cause like it's potent. It's like really, really potent. So like it'll last you for forever. And then this one is Wish, which is salted caramel, pistachio, and soft citrus, which is like is it Boom Boom? I always thought it was Bum Bum. So good. Really nice again for like a bathroom, but it's like a really warm, like suntan body lotion type smell. Then I have a bunch of freebies in here that I was like, all right, we're going to do these up in the bathroom, I think. So let's go through these real quick. This one is Cocoa Butter Cashmere Gold Sugar Boardwalk Mallow Clouds. This L3 Waxy Wonders always has the most intense names because it's like all of these are different scents and that's like the scents together. I kind of wish it would just have like a name and then you could like look up like what the name is because I still don't know what like half of these scents are anyways. This one's like a very like mellowed out like bathroom linen kind of scent, which is weird because I don't know. I'm going to put it in my laundry room. I need to get a wax warmer in there actually, so that's what I'm going to do with that. And then I have this freebie here, which looks like it's from, I don't know. Is it from Pink Barnhouse? I don't know. I don't know what this even smells like, to be honest. It has like a minty scent. I don't know. It's a really teeny tiny piece, so it probably won't last super long, but I wanted to use it up because I have so many. And then this one's Blue Agave Cacao Garnier Fructis. Do you remember this one smelled mostly just like Garnier Fructis, which I'm really excited about. So I'll melt that one in the bathroom as well, which my bathroom is like pretty big and but it's connected to my bedroom. But I feel like whenever I melt stuff in my bathroom, it goes into my bedroom, so I don't feel the need to have one in my bedroom, which is nice. So I just keep it in my bathroom, and then also like it's not as potent in the bedroom, which is nice, I feel like, as well. And then this one is Stung by Wasp, which is apricots and honey. I think that this one might have been from Nerdy Wax. I'll try and link everyone down below. This one smells really good though. So again, I feel like this is a very laundry room vibe. Then let's go into the other cups that I have. I just randomly literally like opened the drawer and just like grabbed a bunch from the top because there's no reason for me to pick anything. Or we can go by shop even. So we can do, yeah, I have a couple randos in here. So let's do this one first. So this one here is from Wit and Wax, and this is Throne of Lies. So this is from the Elf collection, I believe. So this one has like purple glitter, super cute. And this one says Salty Ocean, Cotton Candy, and Vanilla Cake. I like the scent notes. I think it's easier. This one smells really good, really light. I'll probably use this one in the kitchen / living room. It's really, really pretty and light and kind of like almost like I'm getting a lot of the ocean, but also like it's like more of like a sweet ocean scent, which is kind of weird but nice. And then this one's Cottonhead Ninny Muggins, which is our airy cotton and rich amber. I love this. It's so fun. This one I'm not like the world's biggest fan of because it is very like cotton scented, and I like that scent whenever I was like in my teens, but I feel like now it's just a laundry room scent for me and it's just gonna stay in there. Then I have two from Nerdy Wax. So this one is Blueberry Muffin, which was a Perdue planner collab with Nerdy Wax, and this one smells really good. I think I did buy multiples of these, and it's supposed to be a blueberry muffin. It definitely smells very artificially blueberry, but I think it's still gonna be good in the kitchen. And then this one is Slinky Dog, which is vanilla, bean, cinnamon, pine, and apple, which definitely reads more winter, which it snowed today. So yeah, honestly, all I smell is pine, which is not a bad thing. I do really like pine scents. I have found though that I don't like them in the bedroom. It just drives me insane, and it's like too much, and I just don't like it. All my favorite scents have to be in the bedroom, bathroom. Then this one here is Sven, which is fresh balsam. So another one that I'll probably do in the living room. This is by Fantasy Wax. It's a teeny tiny one. This one also smells very like Christmas tree, but this one smells a little bit more like of a woody Christmas tree. And then this one is Monica and Chandler, which is Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue for Men type. This one's really nice and light, but it does have that like man scent, which I do love, but I probably will still do this in the living room because it's a little bit powerful, I think. And then this one is Beetlejuice, which is Leaves type, a fall scent, but I think that I might do this one in the bathroom because this one is like has that like apple undertone, which I think kind of like chills out the more like musky tones of it. I think it's like the musky, like heavy tones, like if it's like a manly scent or like a pine, like those really like intense fragrances that I don't like in the bedroom. I like more like relaxing or like light baked good scents in the bedroom / bathroom. Then there's Edward Scissorhands, which is Fresh Pumpkin Caramel Swirls. This one's super nice. It kind of reminds me of like the Flapjack pancakey type scents, but like a pumpkin version. So I'll definitely use that one in the bedroom. Then I have one here from Villainous Wax, which this is called Witch Please, which is poisonous blueberry pie, pumpkin puree, ginger shavings, and French vanilla cream. This one's really nice. Again, like super light, but that's gonna be great for the bathroom. And then this one here is from Columbia Candle Supply, and this is Marshmallow Fluff, and it's in like a bar that I'll like break probably in two. This one's like a really light scent, but I do smell the marshmallow. I think this would be really cute. Like, I don't know what about it, but like it definitely smells like marshmallow, and I love the scent of marshmallow. Does anybody else like go like pre-COVID, obviously, go into Target and like just like rub your face into the marshmallow section, like the little area where the marshmallows are, and just like pick up a bag and just shove your face in it, and you're like, this is mine now. That's me. That and like the bread section, I love the scent of the bread section. Then there is deep fried Twinkies. This is by Caviar Dreams, golden sponge cake, vanilla cream, butter, deep fried pastry, and powdered sugar. Super crazy cool. And this one smells very like buttery. I just smell a lot of butter. I'm hoping more of like the pastry scent comes out through that, but it just smells like butter to me, which sometimes can be a little bit heavy for like, again, the bedroom, because it, I don't know, I feel like butter for me, like unless it's mixed with like the pancakey like flapjack kind of situation, unless it's mixed with that, I feel like butter kind of reminds me of like, you know, whenever you cook something like bacon and like it smells good when you're cooking it, and then later on your clothes just smell nasty and like your house kind of just smells like heavy and like oily. That's how I feel like sometimes butter scents, like if it just smells like butter, it's not a vibe. But we're gonna try it out and see what happens. And then this one here is from L3 Waxy Wonders, which I have to cut, and this is Fruit Loop Zucchini bread, which smells good. I mostly just get Fruit Loops from this, but also like I'm not mad about it because I do really like cereal scents. Like that's kind of like what I would like started whenever I was getting obsessed with wax, is I bought like all of the cereal scents, so I'm not like super mad about that at all. But that is everything. I'm gonna throw this one away, obviously. That is everything that I will be melting this round, and I'm gonna put all of my I should probably sort them eventually, but also I can just like sift through. I will put all of the ones that I hauled into my like storage, which is really honestly a mess, but let me know in the comments down below if you want to see that. Maybe if you want to see these videos, I can like plug that in, like I can do like a little tour once I like clean it up a little bit. But yeah, that's everything. I'll link everyone down below, and I hope that y'all like this video, and I'll talk to you in my next one.